This OurTown Realty property video is presented by Sheila Woodham. Old Cloverdale Garden District home. Recent improvements include installed a brick skirt to replace the synthetic board around the exterior base of the home, installed a Sentricon termite control system and bond, landscaping improvements. Stainless steel appliances plus fridge to remain in the spacious eat-in kitchen with an island conveniently installed near the appliances and sink. The TVs mounted in the living room and on the covered back porch will remain. The sound system is wired into the living room, dining room, master bedroom and bath, porch and fire pit area. A GUNITE sitting pool in the backyard. The porches and grounds are beautifully maintained. Spacious rooms downstairs and upstairs. The living room features a coffered ceiling, crown molding, fireplace, built-in bookcases and windows on the front/back walls of the room. There are 4 fireplaces, some decorative, throughout the home.